through a Carroll County Sheriff's Office in Georgia, west of Atlanta, released a video capturing the moment 3 police officers were shot during the pursuit of 2 suspects on the highway. The 2 suspects had failed to stop their vehicle in compliance with traffic laws. On April 12, 2021, the moment a Georgia police officer was shot in the head and lost control of his vehicle, crashing into a power pole, was recorded by the camera mounted on his car, showing the criminal shooting the officer with an AK-47. We are now witnessing a first-hand account of a Georgia car chase that spiraled into a deadly shootout, leaving multiple officers wounded, 1 suspect dead, and another facing a lifetime behind bars. On April 12, 2021, in Carroll County, Georgia, just west of Atlanta, chaos erupted when a Georgia State Patrol trooper pulled over a speeding Nissan Sentra, clocked at over 100 miles per hour on the interstate around 3:30 a.m. The driver, identified as Aaron Shelton, and his cousin, Pierre Shelton, in the passenger seat, initially seemed to comply by pulling to the roadside. However, as the trooper approached the vehicle, the situation took a dramatic turn. The Nissan suddenly sped off, igniting a high-speed pursuit. Dash camera footage captures the intense moments as Aaron Shelton attempts to outrun the pursuing trooper. The criminal appeared quite reckless and did not comply with any orders from the police. He sped down the road at over 100-kilometer range, making it seem like a scene from the movie Fast and Furious. The chase escalates when the trooper performs a tactical maneuver, tapping the suspect's car, causing it to veer before regaining control. In a shocking twist, Pierre Shelton is seen brandishing an AK-47 from the passenger side, opening fire on the trooper.
Shots fired, shots fired.
The trooper shouts as the pursuit intensifies. The call for backup mobilizes multiple law enforcement units, including county sheriff's deputies and local police, who converge on the scene in a coordinated effort to apprehend the suspects. Dash camera video from other first responders shows them joining together in the search for Shelton and his cousin. By this point, the police had already lost sight of the other 2 men.
He's wearing a yellow hoodie. He's floorboard.
6-6, back off of him, back off of him. Back off, let's see what they do. Dispatch, we're right here going 69 miles an hour. I'm waiting to see what we do. We're turning right on Bankhead Highway.
Turning right on the Bankhead.
All right, get me some people up here. Let's get ready to do felony stop. If not, we will pit.
Carrollton Police Sergeant Rob Holloway, issuing strategic commands over the radio, leads the coordinated response.
All right, back off just a little. We're going to follow at this distance. Dispatch, we're going 60 miles an hour. Bankhead Highway, we're passing Barnes Store. Get Villarica set up, spikes at Bay Springs.
Buffalo with some kind of A-frame, something up under it. Definitely an AR stop.
Hey, just make sure we're backed off just enough, okay? I'm gonna try to turn on my scene lights. Dispatch, we are going about 90 miles an hour. We are coming up on Old Airport Road.
However, just moments later, Holloway himself becomes a target.
They're hitting their brakes. I'm waiting to see what they're about to do. Chief went back off of them.
229, you got Grand V Connor. You ain't got to worry about spikes.
I know, but I don't want to get up here where they're moving around. I'd rather go ahead and disable them.
A sudden volley of gunfire strikes Holloway in the head, causing him to crash his squad car. The dramatic sequence is captured from multiple dash camera angles, providing a visceral glimpse into the chaos. Another officer's dash cam captures Holloway's vehicle veering off the road and crashing.
Shots fired in the right. Jump sergeant, quick. 10-4, unit 10-3, 10-33. 249, somebody check on 249.
The confrontation reaches its peak as video footage shows officers taking cover behind their vehicles, under a hail of bullets. The situation grows more perilous as officers relocate to new positions, each movement fraught with danger. Carrollton police officer Chase Gordy's perspective shows him taking cover in front of his squad car as shots continue to ring out. In a heart-pounding moment, Gordy calls for assistance while exchanging fire with the assailants. Soon, gunshots are fired directly at Gordy. Gordy can be seen calling for help as the gunfire continues. For only 2 seconds, a suspect is seen in front of the squad car, gun in hands. His body camera captures the fleeting sight of a suspect armed and ready to shoot, intensifying the life and death struggle.
He's on my car! He's on my car! He's behind my car!
The officer had to flee on foot, realizing his service pistol was no match for the assailant's rifle. He was shot in the hand and ran into the bushes for cover. Meanwhile, the gunman returned to the vehicle and continued to drive. Once again, the car chase continued for another 10 minutes until another police car caught up with them. As the officers closed in, something unbelievable occurred.
Whoa. I'm gonna start right here?
Yeah.
The entire sequence, from the initial high-speed chase to the final shootout, is meticulously documented through dash and body camera footage, providing an unfiltered look at the raw and dangerous reality faced by law enforcement officers on that fateful day. In the end, 3 first responders, Gordy, Holloway, and Deputy Jay Repetto, suffer injuries. Pierre Shelton's rampage concludes with his death, while Aaron Shelton's capture leads to a slew of charges. 22 counts including felony murder, felony fleeing, and aggravated assault on law enforcement officers. His conviction results in a life sentence without the possibility of parole, bringing a grim closure to this harrowing episode. The police officers of Carroll County, Georgia, west of Atlanta, were incredibly brave, weren't they? With their professional skills, they coordinated and divided the tasks to apprehend the suspects, and through their solidarity, They successfully subdued, arrested one suspect, and neutralized his accomplice. What do you think about the audacity and recklessness of the criminal who dared to shoot a police officer dead and injure 2 others? Do you think the sentence for the surviving criminal is too lenient? Share your thoughts in the comments and see you in the next video.